How mutual funds work? Is it safe to invest in mutual funds or not? And what are the risks involved in it? Financial expert Mr. Guru Raj will elaborate on this. Guru Raj, over to you.
So basically, what we do is we collect money from you, and based on which scheme you are giving money, please understand this. You are deciding where I should put money. Many people think that the fund manager decides where to put money. It is not correct. It is you who are telling me where to put money. How you are telling it? By selecting the scheme. For example, somebody might say, I don't want risk, let me invest in debt funds. Right. Somebody will say, no, no, I'm willing to take a moderate risk, so you may give me a money in a balanced category. Somebody will say, no, no, I have long-term view, so I want to invest in a pure equity fund. So it is your decision of giving money in a particular category based on which I will then decide where to invest. So, for example, if you give me money in a debt fund, I cannot go and put that money in equity shares or stock market, right? Then I have to invest in bonds or government securities. Similarly, if you are giving me money in equity fund, I can't go and put that money in bonds or government instruments, right? Because you are willing to take risk, so I have to invest that money only in stocks. So what happens is all that money which is pooled, which are given me under different categories of schemes, I'll either invest in bonds or I'll invest in stocks, which is basically the stock market, or I'll be investing in both, right? Now we all know that how the share market is volatile, right? Daily it keeps either going up or coming down, and we have seen bouts of volatility on the post the what you say exit poll markets went up, and on the day results were announced, market went down, and then after that again it has recovered. So my NAV will keep changing based on how the markets are behaving. That's why we said mutual funds are subject to market risk, because the value of your investments will go up and down. That is the point. Yeah. Because I'm investing in those products whose values keep changing.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.